Towering atop Utah's famed ski town lies the Montage Deer Valley Resort, a luxury destination tucked within the mountains of Park City. With an all-too-brief 2-night reservation, I found myself craving for more as I comfortably adapted to the lavish lifestyle and hospitality this high-end hotel afforded to its guests. While I wasn't able to film a complete resort tour on this trip, I'm happy to share a few snippets with you, including a room tour, a peek at the spa, and a few glances at the surrounding landscape. Let it be known that I will be back someday to indulge in a lengthier stay, preferably during ski season. Here's a look at our king bed room with a resort view. We were assigned a corner unit, which I believe is a slight upgrade as far as space goes. Furnishing included the king bed and a sitting area complete with a sofa and 2 chairs. A really nice, comfortable setup and plenty of open area for the room service cart to pay a visit. Late night snacking, ladies and gentlemen. One of my favorite features of this room was the private balcony, which was quite spacious. The perfect spot for breakfast while enjoying a view of Park City. Back inside, we'll take a look at the bathroom, which was wonderful. I'm always a sucker for a full bath and a rainfall shower head. I also find the separate toilet to be clutch in hotel design. It really makes it much easier for multiple people to be in and out of the bathroom area at a given time. Lastly, the centerpiece of our room, a gas fireplace, which only enhanced the ambiance of our mountain retreat. As a small aside, I wanted to thank the Montage for its environmental initiatives as evidenced on this card. More and more, I'm trying to align my spending with companies that are trying to make a difference for our planet. They point to renewable wind power as one of their main energy sources. Sunrise at this resort is a time of day not to be missed. Coffee and tea are available in the Vista Lounge and are a perfect companion to the crisp mountain air. The grounds, especially during shoulder season, are quiet at this hour. I enjoyed a peaceful morning overlooking the heated alpine pool, visiting vacant chairlifts, and wandering a property I could easily picture as a ski lover's paradise in the winters. If you roam just outside Montage property like us in search of moose, you'll be gifted with panoramic views of nearby mountaintops and perhaps a rare wildlife sighting if you're lucky. Or a not-so-rare encounter if you are, well, me. The evenings at Montage Deer Valley were also quite relaxing with their fire pits aglow. We initially missed the nightly s'mores offering, but thanks to the unwavering hospitality of the front desk staff, they had a fire pit set for us and courtesy s'mores ready to go after hours. I realize this is rather trivial, but detail is really what makes this place stand out from the rest, and the staff here certainly went above and beyond to personalize our experience. Special shout out to Katie at the front desk. Next up is the Spa Montage, a 35,000 square foot facility featuring a menu of services including massages, facials, and body treatments. With or without a service booked, resort guests can enjoy spending time in the steam room and sauna, retreat to the relaxation space for a cozy chair and a sip of tea, and lay poolside, book in hand. The pool area also featured a lovely outdoor terrace to take in the surrounding landscape. One activity that took us by surprise as 2 adults with no kids was the Montage Merits program, a fun collection of badges, or pins, earned for activities completed around the resort. It was a cute little treasure hunt that really encouraged visitors of all ages to explore all that was available to them during their stay. Anything from spotting wildlife to nailing a strike at the bowling alley earned us a badge. Staying at the Montage was unforgettable. I can't wait for the day I return to experience more of the resort, including its fine dining options, a meet and greet with the adorable canine ambassadors, and of course the opportunity to ski right out and onto the slopes. Until I return again, I hope you enjoyed this little peek into the Montage Deer Valley.